Julia from Cuckoo for Design, and today I'd like to talk about my Raymour Flanigan furniture that I've had for about a year and a half. I get some questions about it, how it's held up with our cats, my children, and the reason I actually picked them is because they're aged leather, and the aged leather just doesn't show the wear and tear as much as our other furniture because it's aged already. I also wanted chairs that are a little bit more on the masculine side, which they are. They have great nail head detail, wood on the bottom, and they're tufted. I just wanted to get into a little bit of detail why I picked the chairs with mixed metals and the height, the size, the scale. Let me start with this table. I picked this table because it's rather small and I can remove it easily to the side, so we can use a poof to put our legs up when we want to chill by the fireplace, or we can also swivel it this way and watch TV, which is actually behind you. I picked glass tables in the back, which you can see right here. They have chrome and glass. And the reason for that is
I didn't want to choose something substantial and chunky like wood. I felt like I needed to balance out the chairs with something more modern and lighter. The chrome of the taller side tables and the gold of the small table also mimicked the chrome and gold design of the other coffee table in the room, which is in front of our TV sitting area.
Which is another reason that I picked smaller lamps. Usually in my house I have rather big lamps, but in this case I didn't want them to go higher than the fireplace, and they are the perfect small size. The concrete base makes them a little bit more on the masculine side, which is kind of what I was going for. I like always having symmetry, which is why I wanted to have two tables. There's not really in the small space a need for 3 tables. It is a huge investment to buy furniture and it can be a little bit scary. I personally am not a fan of purchasing big pieces of furniture online because you just never know what you're gonna get. You can read the reviews, but you're not sure if that's really what's gonna come, and then you have a huge piece of furniture and you have to deal with the hassle of returning it. So for me, it was really great to walk into a store where there's a helpful sales associate that can help you with any questions, that can order special orders for you, and it just makes the whole process less scary and fast. I know it kind of sounds old-fashioned, me too. I order everything online, but in this case, it really takes the stress out of the situation.
I hope this glimpse into our home and the review was helpful to you. I want to end this video with some decor inspiration of how I decorated our fireplace area throughout the year and seasons. Bye!